Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.